Hi, did you know that to record your screen on iPhone, you don't need to download any screen recorder? You have it right in your phone. And to find it, as a first step, we would need to open the control center, which is located at the right upper corner. Now, we would need to swipe it down and here look for this button. But if you cannot see this button, do not be scared. Let me show you how to add it. Firstly, we would need to click on this plus at the left upper corner. Then click on this button which is saying add a control at the bottom part of your phone. And then in this huge list with a lot of interesting features, we would need to look at the top because here at the fourth row we can find the screen recording button. And now to add it to our control center, we would need to click on it and it will appear on the first free place, which is here showed as these white circles. So to save the changes, simply click on any empty corner. For example, I'll choose the right bottom. Now to set up the screen recording, we would need to hold our finger on the screen recording button like this. And now here, as you can see, we can enable or disable the voice on screen recording. Currently, the microphone is off, and if you will do a screen recording with the turned off microphone, your voice won't be heard on the recording. But if you would like to say something while you're recording your screen, we can click on this microphone icon. When it's red, it means the microphone is enabled. And now if you talk while recording your screen, your voice will be heard. So now let me show you how to start the recording. We would need to quit this menu by clicking on any empty place and then just click on this screen recording button once. Now the timer of 3 seconds will start, and now if we will swipe up here at the left upper corner, you'd be able to see this right icon, which means that your screen is being recorded now. So we can do anything on the screen and all of these actions will be recorded. Now to stop the screen recording, we can click on this right icon and here click stop. And now you can see this notification which is saying that the screen recording is saved to Photos. And we can find the Photos application right here with the flower icon. So let's take a look on our screen recording. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.